Hey guys, Thomas Dallin here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to walk you through a fresh trade-in that we just took in. This is a 2024 Bennington 22 LSB. Beautiful boat, guys. 21 freshwater hours on the Yamaha 150. You see this boat, it's got the Monaco blue panels with the satin black accent stripe that runs down the side here. You got your nav lights and your docking lights located up front on the bow. Let's take a look at the back. Guys, again, this model is the swing back. You'll see it's got the extended deck back here. Yamaha 150, stainless steel prop. It's got the new and improved lily pad ladder that makes it so easy for getting on and off the boat. Let's climb aboard and take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard. Up in the bow, you'll see we've got the 80% cutout that goes throughout this whole boat. Beautiful boat with the silver Simtex, with the Monaco blue accents, with the diamond pressed upholstery. This boat's got the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo, got the Simrad 7-inch screen. It's got all your RGB lighting on your toe kick lights here. Of course, this is the swing back, plenty of storage underneath all your seats. Comes standard with the 10-foot bimini top and also has this keto bar. For more information, please give us a call or stop by your Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you. Have a great day.